OpenAI's Sora and similar AI models are currently capturing everyone's attention, and you have likely seen those impressive, hyper-realistic generated clips saturating your social media feeds. While the hype is certainly understandable, I want to pivot today to focus on what actually matters for your growth. Building a reliable workflow for consistent short-form content output. We will explore smart strategies to transform long-form content into viral clips, along with practical hacks for managing watermarks and scaling your production without burning out. If you are truly serious about scaling your influence, tools like Vizard should absolutely be on your radar, and I will show you why they outperform simple manual editing methods. Stick with me through this entire breakdown, because I'm going to walk you through real-world workflows and the specific mistakes you need to avoid to achieve predictable results. First, a quick introduction. I am Ryan, and I help founders and creators leverage AI to publish significant amounts of content without losing their sanity in the process. If you are looking for ready-to-use templates and established setups, I have included all my personal resources in the links below for you to download. However, today is strictly about practical, repeatable strategies that you can implement immediately to start seeing a difference in your engagement. We must address the elephant in the room, which is accessibility, because many cutting-edge models are still heavily gated by invites, geolocations, or frustrating region restrictions. That gate is incredibly annoying for busy creators who simply want to repurpose their existing podcast episodes, live streams, or batch-recorded long-form content. Unlike those restricted models, Vizard requires no invite codes and has no weird region locks, making it a web-first tool built for creators who need speed and efficiency. It is specifically designed to convert long videos into dozens of high-quality short clips quickly, which is exactly what most people actually need in their day-to-day operations. Before diving into the technical how-to, I want to showcase some examples of what I have been able to produce after fully adopting a straightforward, standardized repurposing workflow. Imagine taking a 60-minute episode and, within just 1 hour, having 20 ready-to-post shorts, including hooks, mini tutorials, and engaging reaction moments. Those clips are already formatted, trimmed, captioned, and queued for publishing, which is exactly what Vizard does to surface viral moments from your archive. Let us walk through the setup process now. Whether you are on a desktop or a mobile device, start by centralizing all your assets into a single project. Metadata is actually critical here, so ensure you have your title, episode number, and a short description ready to go for the AI to ingest. Vizard's auto-edit feature will scan your timeline to highlight high-engagement snippets, but it is always smarter to give it some extra context first. If your episode is about AI marketing trends, tag it accordingly so the algorithm can prioritize segments with emotional spikes, strong vocal emphasis, and clear hooks. Here is a pro tip. For tools that create synthetic voices or clones, you want clean, consistent audio when training a model. However, for repurposing tools like Vizard, the quality of your raw file is everything, because the better your source material, the better the final clip will be. Therefore, record in a quiet space, use a decent microphone, and do not be shy about re-recording a short, clean take if you need to match it later. Next, let's discuss how to generate highly clickable short-form content using 3 specific workflows that I personally use and highly recommend. The first workflow is to remix existing viral formats by scrolling your feeds to find trending styles like reaction POVs or dramatic reveals. In Vizard, you can choose an editing template, let the AI identify candidate clips, and then tweak the hook in the first 3 seconds to match that current trend. This method is the fastest way to piggyback on virality without faking your authenticity or spending hours on manual editing. The second workflow is to repurpose long-form episodes by pulling transcripts from your videos and asking an AI to generate 10 to 12 potential hooks. Vizard integrates transcript-based search, allowing you to easily surface key quote moments and batch export them as ready-to-post clips with auto captions. The third workflow involves using an LLM or chatbot agent to research current trends and generate video concepts tailored specifically to your personal brand. Feed those generated concepts into Vizard, tell it which timestamps to prioritize, and let it export several variants for you to test. Combining LLM trend research with Vizard's auto-editing capability is exactly where you will get the high-velocity output needed to grow your channel. A quick warning: if you try to do everything on a mobile device, you will inevitably get frustrated by the limited editing control. Desktop and web interfaces give you the necessary control over aspect ratios, precise trimming, and bulk scheduling features. Vizard's content calendar allows you to schedule multiple clips across different platforms, so you can essentially set it and forget it. That automation piece is incredibly underrated. You are not just getting clips, you are building a full-scale publishing machine. Now, let's talk about comparisons, because you will see a bunch of competing options like Sora and HeyGen currently flooding the market. Those tools are impressive for synthetic character and deepfake style outputs, making them cool for one-off entertainment pieces or specific character-driven shorts. However, their core problems for creators remain the same: invite-only gating, inconsistent outputs, and high costs. HeyGen integrates many features, but the pricing adds up quickly, and it simply is not specialized for discovering clips from long-form content. Other platforms are often either too expensive for the high volume you need or require too much hands-on effort to actually scale effectively. Vizard's sweet spot is the combination of volume and relevance, as it is designed to find viral moments in long videos and turn them into audience-ready clips instantly. Instead of paying per second of render or battling skyrocketing API costs as you scale, Vizard lets you focus entirely on your creative output and content calendar. If you care about the cost per published clip and total consistency, that is a material advantage that you cannot ignore in your business. Notably, many AI video APIs charge by compute time, and those costs add up extremely quickly when you are batching hundreds of clips at once. Vizard abstracts that complexity away for the specific use case of content repurposing, saving you both time and significant money. Regarding watermarks and platform friction, many creators are forced to crop or overlay graphics to mask branding from other AI apps. Vizard exports clean assets optimized for each specific platform, so you can avoid those headaches entirely and focus on your actual content. If you do end up with a watermark from another source, a quick workaround is to reframe the clip and add captions or a small CTA in the lower third. A final technical note: if you are automating your distribution, watch your API usage and billing costs extremely closely. Generating dozens of videos via raw API calls for advanced models is expensive. Always do the math before committing to a high-cost workflow. You might be much better off using a specialized repurposing platform that is designed specifically for creators' economics. Now, my honest, brutal take is that this wave of ultra-realistic synthetic video tech is impressive, but also, quite frankly, a little terrifying. We are about to see a massive explosion of low-effort, attention-sucking content that will likely only worsen the current issue of attention fragmentation. That said, not all AI content is inherently bad, as tools that help creators produce more authentic human moments are a net positive. My main issue is with the noise and the business models that prioritize sheer quantity over actual quality. This is exactly why I am bullish on a parallel trend. Audience fatigue will create a massive demand for genuine authenticity. Trust-based communities and creators who prioritize human nuance will eventually become much more valuable than those pumping out automated slop. If you can use AI to amplify your human work rather than replace it, you will win in the long run. Vizard helps with that by focusing on repurposing your actual voice and content, not manufacturing fake, synthetic personalities. To wrap this up, here is a simple action plan you can run today. Drop a long episode into Vizard and let the auto-edit find your best candidate clips. Pick 8 to 12 clips to refine. Use a chatbot to create punchy hooks. Export with platform presets and schedule them in your calendar. Monitor the performance for exactly 1 week, then double down on the specific formats that actually move the needle for your engagement. If you have made it this far, thanks for sticking around. And if you want my exact prompts and templates, check the links in the description below. Try Vizard and compare the time it takes to go from raw video to a week's worth of shorts, because that saved time is the whole point. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Comment with the platform you are currently using, and let's nerd out on practical workflows instead of chasing hype. Peace, and go make something that you would actually want to watch.